guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So for today's video, we do have a new wig install. The wig that I'll be installing for you guys today is from Premium Lace Wigs. Now this is their deep curly lace front wig, and I did get this wig in a 20-inch. Also the color that I got is a 1B, which is like a natural color. The lace color on this unit is a medium brown. Also, it does come with an extra elastic band attached to your unit already, ready for you. So that way, if ever you do need extra security, you can go ahead and attach this elastic band to a tighter hook. Now, I'm just taking my foundation powder and pressing it against the lace just to brighten it a little bit. So once I do apply it, it looks really natural and that lace color is actually seeping through. So this is what the lace itself looks like onto my head. This wig is the perfect fit. Also, the curls on this hair is really gorgeous, you guys. So the first step that I usually take when it comes to installing my wigs and laying them down is cutting off the sideburns first, like that extra piece of lace that hangs off the side of your ears. So I usually cut those first, and then so to install my wig today, I'm using the GOT2B High Insta Hold hairspray. Let me just pause on this product 1 second and tell you guys something. If you guys see this product in the drugstore, please pass it straight. Don't even think twice about buying it unless you have natural hair that you're just looking for a really strong hold. This thing flakes like crazy. Like, it's ridiculously crazy how much it flakes. You guys will see once I install my wig. I will never use this product again. Somebody that works at the drugstore suggested that I bought it. She told me that this was like one of the best products on the market besides the regular GOT2B. And silly me, that's all I gotta say, silly me, was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna try it out. So I tried it out. I tried it for you guys. Let me just tell you guys, do not buy this product. Like, just pass it straight, okay? Just pass it straight. Don't even think twice. So, of course, I applied it how I would usually apply the regular GOT2B acid-free spray. And it was just flaking like crazy. I still went ahead with the install. You know, eventually, thank God, towards the end, it did work out. So, I did have to end up using the regular GOT2B towards, like, for, like, the ear tabs area. But besides that, you know, the install turned out great. Thank the Lord. But yeah, this product, I would definitely not use it again. It flakes like crazy, which you guys can see here. It was just all bad, you guys. But to get rid of like the flakiness, I did add some mousse to it. So like I said, everything turned out well in the end. Then I honestly installed it how I would usually install all my other wigs. Just, you know, minus the little flakes that you're seeing. But yeah, the lace itself honestly was really easy to install, I must say. So right now, the hair that I'm sectioning off is what I will be using for my baby hairs. And I'm just taking my foundation powder and touching back up the roots with it, just so it's a little highlighted. And then now I'm taking my hot comb and we're just flattening out the roots, making sure everything is flat and nice, so my install does look really neat. And as you guys can see, it's still flaking a little bit, but after I was finished hot combing, I did take some mousse and just go back over like the white spots that you're seeing, and they went right away. So now I'm just cutting the baby hairs. I am going to cut them a little bit shorter towards the end. And I'm taking my tweezers and just plucking some of the hair out. You want to thin it out so once you lay your baby hairs, they're not too thick and looks really like you don't want your baby hairs to look like grown folks baby hairs, okay? You want them to look as natural as possible, so you must thin out the hair there before you lay down your baby hairs. Now I'm doing my part. I am doing a middle part for this unit, and I'm taking my hot comb and going back over it. You do want to make sure everything's super flat. Like I said, once you're installing a wig, you guys definitely need a hot comb. It comes in so handy. It makes your install looks 10 times better once it's pressed out and, you know, you use your hot comb to flatten out everything. Now I'm just taking my concealer and adding it to the roots of this hair just to make that part in space a little bit more visible. And then I'm using the end of the rat tail comb to help me lock that concealer into place and make sure it's well in the roots of the hair, and literally only in the roots of the hair. So now I'm going in with my Nairobi mousse, and that's what I'm going to use to lay down my baby hairs. after you finish laying your baby hairs, you do want to make sure that you tie up your hair. So while we do lay down the baby hairs, I just want to talk a little bit about the hair itself. You guys, I've been wearing this wig for 5 days straight now. If you guys have saw my recent Instagram pictures, I've been living in this wig. So that's been like my go-to wig for the past week now. The hair itself does not tangle, you guys. It does not shed. It does not frizz up. And that's one thing I could say, like, I love the most about this hair is, like, you could put a ton of products in this hair. It would not frizz up, just as how the hair looks in this video right now. That's how your hair is going to stay all day long. It does not get any puffier than that. It does not frizz up one bit. You guys, the hair is so bomb, and I highly, highly suggest you guys getting this wig. It's one of the easiest wigs to just install and go. It's definitely a lazy girl friendly wig, so you can just pop her on and go about your business. All you gotta do is add some mousse back to tame the little curls that probably frizzed up while you slept in the wig or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I just had to let you guys know, like, this wig is thebomb.com. Also, you can wear it glueless. You don't really need any adhesive or the spray, for a matter of fact. You can definitely just put her on and go, because for the past like 2 days now I've been wearing it. I've just been like waking up and putting her on without using any products to hold it down. You know, the wig is already in your face, so as long as the middle there is staying on your head, who gives a shoot about the freaking ear tabs lifting, because you're not seeing them. So you can definitely wear the wig glueless. I have been wearing it glueless, and yeah, the wig is bomb. Definitely get you one, okay? So this is pretty much the hair the next day. I just woke up, added on some makeup. I'm about to head out for brunch. And yeah, I did sleep in the hair last night. When I woke up this morning, all I did was add some curly mousse to it. And that was pretty much it. I did not have to touch back the baby hairs or anything like that. Wig is from Premium Lace Wigs, and this is their deep curly unit. I did get this here in 20-inch. So it does come with an elastic band attached to your unit. That way you can adjust your unit if ever it's too small or too loose onto your head. You can definitely attach it, so it does come with that elastic band in the back there for you to just secure your unit. The frontal is a 13x4 lace front with stretch lace, and also the density on this hair is a 250 density, so it's really full and nice. As you guys can see, the hair is really thick and nice. I am so loving its curls, and I love the fact that I did not have to like really add any water to it. This is literally the curls in its natural state. Like I said, I did not have to add anything to it except some mousse, as you guys saw me added last night, and I just re-added a little bit this morning when I woke up. But besides that, you guys, the hair is gorgeous. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see what the back is looking like. So this is pretty much what the back of the hair is looking like. The hair is gorgeous, you guys. So far, I have zero complaints with this unit. I do love how flat and nice the top here is. Really gorgeous. The hair itself is really soft. And also, so far, I'm not getting any shedding with this unit. I'm definitely loving the curls on this hair, you guys. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. And you guys know they have the best prices on their lace wigs. So definitely head over and check them out. And yeah, that's pretty much about it for this unit. Yeah, that's about it for this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, comment down below. Also, I will have a makeup tutorial on this look right after this video goes up, so stay tuned for that. And again, if you guys did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.